Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of ripe red tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good olive oil and 500 milliliters of vegetable broth. We'll also use salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Now, let's prepare those beautiful tomatoes. Start by washing and quartering them, making sure to remove any hard cores. For a richer flavor, you can roast them with a drizzle of olive oil for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Another option is to blanch them in boiling water for 2 minutes, then easily peel off the skins. Next, we'll build our soup base. In a pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sauté your chopped onion and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. Then, add your prepared tomatoes to the pot. Pour in the 500 milliliters of vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Finally, let's finish our delicious soup. Carefully blend the mixture until it's wonderfully smooth. For an extra silky texture, you can pass it through a fine mesh sieve. Now, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and that little pinch of sugar. Serve your hot tomato soup with a garnish of fresh basil or a lovely swirl of cream. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.